Hello everyone, this is PandaQuant and today I'm going to cover a stock which is called GLXY. Why GLXY? Based on the quarter earnings, Galaxy Digital just lost $216 million. The stock ripped 8% the same day. If you think that's because Wall Street is dumb, you are kind of missing the entire trade. This isn't a crypto stock anymore. It's the newest AI landlord on Nasdaq and nobody has yet repriced it. So, what is Galaxy? Galaxy, you can say, consists of three different businesses. The one is the trading desk, the Bitcoin treasury, and the 1.6 gigawatt data centers. And over here, you can see that all of the three pillars have already been mentioned. And the very first pillar, 1.6 gigawatt, is the big thing, the big picture over here. The revenue was a beat. They were projecting around 9.54 estimate, but 10.20 billion was the actual thing. EPS, they are projecting 0.95. There is a negative, but the actual was minus 0.49. That's good. Still, the net loss is $216 million, but mostly it is driven by the 20% crypto drawdown, not any operations or anything else. The trading desk still printed 49 million adjusted gross profit, which is huge. That was something which came out, and you can see that all of the equity mixes are also there, like how much is treasury and corporate, how much is digital assets, and how much is data centers right now, right? So similarly, now we're going to talk about the Helios, like what is Helios and what is the main story over here. April 2026, the first data hall delivered to CoreWeave, and that was on time and on budget. 133 and 133 megawatts phase one is like fully online by the end of quarter two. That's what they have said. Total CoreWeave deal was around like 526, I think 526 megawatts, 15-year lease, but they are saying that it's going to be a 1 billion plus annual revenue at full ramp. So that is like eventually 90% of their EBITDA margins. That's huge. And end users are also saying that it is a million trillion dollar investment grade public company. That's what this hyperscaler tier is. CoreWeave is a massive company, and then Galaxy comes right across. And another thing is that I think ERCOT headroom that we are talking about plus 830 megawatts coming in, that is also a deal. So if you add on total all of these deals, these are coming to be 1.6 gigawatts, and that is already approved. So so that's there. Now, the CoreWeave revenue is uncorrelated to Bitcoin. That is the part market hasn't priced. Galaxy is becoming an AI infra rate stock with a crypto desk also attached. So once the crypto also starts growing up after the AI correction rally, I think that is where it's going to happen. But let's talk about what is the quant setup over here, like what I'm thinking about and why I have brought this into picture, why I'm even talking about it. So the beta is 3.64. It's basically 3.6x the SPY volatility, and 52 weeks range is basically they have been talking about 16.43 to $45. That's what is the mild range over here. You can see like how the price action has been, and then how was the average kind of going on, and then 26.86 has been reclaimed. So that was the 200-day moving average, and currently the price kind of moved above it. I feel that there is a very strong chance that this stock is going to go up. And also there is a Bitcoin correlation over here, like how it can go up and down, those kind of things. But the short interest that I see is not much. The short interest is 9%. Basically, any Helios news comes out, and these 9% squeeze is also going to be driving the stock even up. And employed move is around like plus minus 12%. That's what options are telling in, like what's going to happen. Now, you can see that all of the analysts, like everyone, is targeting high for this stock. The bull, and what is the bull case and what is the bear case, that's also like we can say. But I will just say that the bull if you see like the overall the case that I'm making over here, the bull is hyperscaler reveal, the phase two of what they are building, and then the Bitcoin tailwind also coming into the market. The bear is the crypto. There is a crypto winter, like no one's buying it and it's dying and people are taking out their money. Execution is not properly happening, and concentration on CoreWeave is also very important. If CoreWeave goes down, the stock also kind of drops. Those kind of things you have to look into it. But all of the 26 analysts over here, they are mostly saying on average, which is like $40, and right now it's 40% off from the spot. So it's still 40% bargain right here. So that's why I'm bringing this up. So yeah, so like my take is that it's a conservative long. So you can see like how what I'm saying over here, $21 is the bear trajectory, the base is $40, and the bull is 55 plus. So yes, please like, subscribe to my YouTube channel in case you like my analysis, but follow me on X as well. Thank you so much.